Hi there, students. Rambunctious. Great word, rambunctious. It's an adjective. You could have rambunctiously, the adverb, I suppose. Okay, if you describe somebody as rambunctious, they are full of energy and difficult to control. So definitely I'm thinking about a rambunctious class of 12-year-old kids, really full of energy and really difficult to control. Yeah? A rambunctious dog that is pulling everywhere. It's full of life, full of energy. But, poof, I can't hold it, I can't stop it, I can't control it. So, rambunctious, boisterous, unruly, yeah? Living with 4 rambunctious children or travelling with them can be quite a difficult job. The crowd became rather rambunctious as they saw the prospect of their team winning. A hooray Henry going out on a Saturday night gets a bit drunk and rather rambunctious, exuberant but uncontrollable. Yeah, he rambunctiously pushed his friend into a skip. So boisterous, hell-raising, raucous, rowdy. Yeah. Okay, so rambunctious, boisterous and disorderly. A rambunctious group of ladies on a hen party. A rambunctious class of kids, very definitely. Okay, so they're, full of energy, full of life, but can be a real problem to control. Let's see, how formal is this word rambunctious? I would probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use rambunctious in a informal conversation. It sounds a bit literary, yeah, but I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. Yeah, use it everywhere. I think the origin probably comes from the word robust. Yeah, robust, rambunctious, which I think itself comes from robust, meaning strong, and that's clearly a Latin root. Come on, don't be so rambunctious. You're going to have to wait. Just before making this video, I was thinking Rambo. Yeah, the character Rambo in the films. I guess Rambo is pretty rambunctious. Yeah, when it comes to injustice, he will defend the right rambunctiously. Yeah, his rambunctiousness, the noun, is legendary. Okay, so rambunctious, a crowd of people watching a match. Maybe they're a bit drunk and a bit rambunctious. A stag party is pretty rambunctious. They're drunk and they do sort of crazy things. Just totally impossible to tell them to stop. Let's see, is rambunctious critical? Maybe it's a little bit critical, but generally it's not a serious criticism. Yeah, these rambunctious kids are difficult to control, but kids by nature are rambunctious. Yeah, some people are more rambunctious than others. They're maybe more extroverted as well. Yeah, people going out on a Saturday night about midnight in the high street of a town. It's full of rambunctious people behaving rambunctiously, and their rambunctiousness can lead to more serious problems. So, rambunctious, it sounds a bit literary, maybe a little bit formal, maybe jokingly posh, yeah, but a good word to use, yeah. I think you could use it in a semi-formal or formal essay, yeah, and it would sound quite good. Rambunctious, difficult to control because it's so full of life. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Rambunctious.